If you are saying the error can't collaborate because they don't have access to Instagram Music, then here is a quick and effective guide to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your Instagram account. The best way to do so is to change your account type first of all. Go to your profile, then tap on the three-line hamburger menu at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your Instagram settings in privacy. In there, scroll down and you will get to see account type and tools option available. Simply tap on it. And if your account is in business account, then you'll have to change it into personal or creator account. Basically, professional or the personal account. Then, once your account has been changed, simply check music availability in the region. Instagram Music is not available in every country. Ask your collaborator, can they add music to their own reel or story? If not, it's likely due to geo restrictions. Use original audio or music that's available in both the regions. After that, go to the App Store and tap on the search address bar and tap down Instagram. And all you have to do is update the Instagram app on your mobile device. Old version may cause bugs or mismatched features access. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.